Hello and welcome to ISE 2023 and welcome at the NewTek booth. My name is Zoltan, I work at the Professional Services and I'm trying to strengthen the European team. We have a brand new product for all the current TriCaster products, and that's called the TriCaster Flex. It's called the TriCaster Flex because it tries to give the operator the most flexibility possible. So as a start, for example, we now give you direct zoom rocker access. So if you want to zoom in and out a PTZ camera, it's possible to do that. If I want to control the pan tilt on the camera, it's possible to do that. I also have direct access, for example, for autofocus or manual focus options from these rotary knobs on the panel itself. Furthermore, the panel comes with audio I/O inputs and outputs on the back, which means I can use this as an NDI to analog audio or analog audio to NDI converter, and through the network and the brand new network controller what we developed in San Antonio, now you can connect this through the network, the smaller panel, what we only had in the bigger, the 2-stripe and the 4-stripe in the past, and now you can also send back and forth audio signals. We also have rotary knobs for the audio control, so I can control my input audio, my master audio, also my built-in media player audio, and every single rotary knob has a VU meter which is assigned to the respected audio mixer channel inside of the TriCaster. So for example, if I want to play back a clip in my media player 2, all I have to do is obviously start something, so we will have audio. Now we have audio in my media player 2, it shows up here in the view meter as well, and as you can see, I can control the levels from the panel directly. The panel is also called Flex because it gives you the flexibility to control multiple TriCasters in your network. So for example, in our case, we have a lovely rack on this booth with the TriCaster Flex and the TriCaster X and the TriCaster Mini X and the TriCaster 2. And with the button combination, I can switch on the fly between the different TriCasters which is available. So now with a few clicks, I'm controlling my Mini X instead of my TriCaster 2. If I want to go back, because for example I want to change between the studios what I'm using, but I'm sitting in the same control room, all I have to do is just to press the buttons a couple of times. The last thing what I want to show you, and I want to make sure that everybody is aware, that we also changed the way how you can control the panel or assign different buttons to the panel. So for example, we have this beautiful web interface now, and on every bank, individually for every button, I can assign any input I have, doesn't matter if it's an external input or an internal input, and I can change it right away. I can save this and it will restart the panel, but we can do it on the fly if we want to. So the buttons are offering full RGB LED backlighting, and I think additional features what I haven't mentioned before. This is the first member of the new TriCaster Flex family. And if you want to know more information about the TriCaster Flex or just the TriCaster product line, please visit www.newtek.com.